So guys, in this video I'm going to try out something. I made a video earlier on about how you can get 3 months free premium VPN without paying a dime. So in this video I'm going to try it out again to see if the same process I used is still working out good. So if you are in need of a premium VPN, stick around on this video. This video is going to help you get premium VPNs every 3 months. So it's completely free. You don't have to pay any dime. All you need to do is just to change your email address that you're using to create the account, and that is it. You are getting premium VPN all the time. So stick around with me while you learn how to do that on your own. You're going to click and get the free VPN. Remember, it's 92 days. So once you copy this link from my description or my bio, you're going to click on go. Now clicking on go, it's going to take you to this area. Now all you need to do is to input your email address that you want to use to get an account created on this area. So after doing that, they're going to send you an email. So they're going to send you an email just like this. You can see 92 days free license. Please activate your Avira product. So you're going to scroll down here. Scrolling down here, you will see accept and install. So we're going to click on this accept and install link from our email. So it will take us straight to this area. Take us straight to this area. We are going to choose a password. So we're going to add like a strong password that we want to use for our account. So I'm going to add in my password here. After doing that, I'm going to click on continue. Now clicking on continue, it's going to ask for your full name, and you can put that in. So you can see that my country is Nigeria. I'm going to click on register. So automatically it's going to take us to this area now, this new interface. So once you come to this interface, you're going to scroll down and click on install. Now you're installing this app directly to your phone. I'm going to click on install. I'm going to click on Phantom VPN Pro. So you can see I already have it installed on my phone. I'm going to actually enable this and then open up the account. Remember, we are trying out this to see if it's still working. I already have an account that I used before on this area, but I'm going to log it out now and log in the new account that I have right now to see if it's still doing very good for me. So I'm going to input the account and log in. So you can see I am logged in on this account and I can be able to check. Let me check. Alright, let me use this. Let me use this and see if it's still working very well. Alright, you see it's working smoothly. So we can go to our word.com and check if this is actually working very well. So after checking now, you can see that our IP has changed to this address in the United States, and we're scrolling down to see. Okay, so you have it at 90%. It's very much doing very strong thing. It's giving you that premium that you are also looking for. So if this video is helpful for you, kindly follow for more information and see you on the next one.